Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. ECI announces schedule for Gambagre by-poll, Maharashtra and Jharkhand assembly polls. India has made digital connectivity effective tool for last-mile delivery, says PM Narendra Modi. Health Department on the job to prepare Cabinet memo, service rules to start state's own medical college. NEHU launches integrated teacher education program to develop proficient teachers. And Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar to be on two-day visit to Assam and Meghalaya starting October 16. The news in detail. The Election Commission of India has announced that Gambagre by-poll will take place on November 13 along with 46 other assembly constituencies. Similarly, Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar also announced that Maharashtra Assembly elections will take place in a single phase on November 20, 2024, while Jharkhand Assembly election will take place in two phases, November 13 and 20th. Counting of votes for Gambagre by-poll and assembly elections will be on November 23rd.
For Maharashtra, this will be in single phase, and date of poll in Maharashtra would be 20th 11. Counting would be on 23rd 11/24. First phase would be on, date of poll would be on 13th November, and the second phase would be along with Maharashtra on 20th November. And date of poll would be 13th November and 20th November, both Wednesdays. And date of counting would be 23rd 11, that is Saturday.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the International Telecommunication Union (ITU) World Telecommunication Standardization Assembly 2024 at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi. This is the first time that the ITU WTSA is being hosted in India and the Asia-Pacific region. Mr. Modi also inaugurated the 8th edition of India Mobile Congress 2024 during the program. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister Modi said, "Today India is one of the most happening countries in the world in terms of telecom and related technology." He said India has made digital connectivity an effective tool for last-mile delivery.
से बाहर निकालकर कनेक्ट करने में ही जुटा है। प्राचीन सिल्क रूट से लेकर आज के टेक्नोलॉजी रूट तक भारत का हमेशा एक ही मिशन रहा है, दुनिया को कनेक्ट करना और प्रगति के नए रास्ते खोलना।
While the dream of the Meghalaya government to start its own medical college is yet to become a reality, Minister in charge of Health Department Ampreen Lingdor on Monday informed that the department is preparing a cabinet memo to put forward before the cabinet and to seek the guidance. She informed that the service rules are yet to be completed as it is still under the purview of the personnel department. She further cited that any state that comes up with a medical college has to conform to the norms of Government of India.
We have already completed the application for affiliation. The Northeastern Hill University has already sat with the Department of Health. But again, all of this will be disclosed and be available for scrutiny by the public as and when they are completed. We should not disclose anything until the correct authorities take these decisions. But we are on road towards achieving the institutioning of a second medical college run by the government in the state of Meghalaya, hopefully very soon.
The Northeastern Hill University has launched the Integrated Teacher Education Program (ITEP) to develop proficient teachers capable of delivering developmentally appropriate learning across all stages of school education. Cabinet Minister A.L. Heck, the chief guest at the induction program for the BA, BEd and BSc students for the 2024-25 academic year. praised the initiative, which is supported by the Ministry of Education. ITEP is designed for secondary stage specialization, grades 9 to 12, with a multidisciplinary focus that includes vocational education and computational thinking.
The Government of India, Ministry of Education, for introduce this beautiful course, which are going to produce so many teachers in the whole country. I was told that in the whole country, 64 institutions have already granted this permissions, and also one of them is Nehu. I'm really happy to our Vice Chancellor for taking all the initiative throughout your work hard on your initiative will not be able to get this course here in this Nehu. So once again, I'd like to thank the respected Vice Chancellor.
The Khasi Student Union yesterday submitted a letter to Personnel and AR Department Secretary CV Dengdo highlighting issues related to recruitment for the post of guitar instructor at State Institute of Arts and Culture, recruitment for different posts in the Mobile Forensic Crime Scene Unit under the Directorate of Forensic Science, and promotion of 6 government employees to the rank of Meghalaya Civil Services who were currently working under different government departments. KSU Employment Monitoring Cell Chairman Ruben Najjar remarked that if anyone can be promoted to MCS rank, there seems to be little justification for conducting MCS examinations.
Mentang ini kita ki beri bahasa promote siapa MCS beri nak yang police department berikan SI ke police department bisa promote MCS kadon relation you kata kajeng long SI berka tak kajeng yo promotion MCS abau DSI ulawan lecha ulawan yo promotion nak police department kat kum kajeng terekam bahaba juno hende kum no bancuan ra nak nakawai katanan syaka MCS tak kabalong kum ni tak mendo you ini bangin kena bikin report bikin puli ya ke MCS examination bikin prepare ke MCS examination habaka don limba kini promotion dah kalau muntate bahaba na don examination sudah ke MCS.
The Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo Peoples East Jaintia Hills District President Dehok Sumer met with Dr. G.H. Chermang, Member Secretary of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, to express opposition to the public hearing for Megatop Cement Private Limited. In his reply, Dr. Chermang noted that often accusations are made without understanding the facts, even as he welcomes the FKJGP's willingness to engage in dialogues. The public hearing, scheduled for October 18, has sparked concern among local residents who fear environmental degradation and health risks.
Kila apply juga environmental clearance. Takat kum IAA, ini kita project kangat apa kategori A. Apakah kangat apa kategori A kami kerja dengan MOU Ministry of Environment and Forest. Takat kum kita don pada apa A kila yo aja term of reference. Anda kila yo term of reference, kamu apa IAA kalau dia kamram jungi dan penjak dengan public hearing. Penjak dengan public hearing lo rangkat pada trailer pada office jauh deputy commissioner akan dikasih kepada East Jaintia Hills. Tak kumpi kendon dan neki guidelines kepada ban pay nila botik nila ai go mentak agenda like sungi nila pentip skibor district apa East Jaintia Hills. Tingin penolong ini kat pradri.
The Khasi Student Union West Khasi Hills District Unit today submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner outlining several demands to improve the recruitment process through the District Selection Committee led by President John Fisher Nongsiang. The KSU delegation highlighted concern regarding transparency and fairness in the recruitment process. The union presented 17 demands, including the requirement for well-qualified DSC members, installation of CCTV cameras in examination centers, elimination of personal interviews for lower-level posts, and publication of candidate marks.
Snap alai sibun kijing duna bide kijing tukam tungjam bat kijing duna haki iki bara tina kaliang jongi mentak sni lawan ban ai ki points akhanyo 3 points kibede bat kijing don kam ba ka DSC ka di penrung te ka khamtam ek ban kong ek ni le kreh bi ka jing thong kam kum ki member jo ka DSC ki bande ki nongtre ki ba la pule ki graduate la start ki bande ki ki political appointees ki ki khat jong kan ka seng hima sima ma kumang I ni snang la da tibun ki jing duna ki jing nam ki jing jia la jiang I ki jing thong kam lung ba ki nangalam jo ki political appointees ba ki la thong nakaleng deputy commissioner la weng ki bro ki ba sha thong kam ki interview te mentaro ni dawa nak bisi ba nde banai lat kum ki jing jia kin jia yang kin thong landet klem ka jing interview ni klem ka jing tip jo deputy commissioner.
As part of the National Tobacco Control Program, an awareness campaign on tobacco-free youth was organized at the Community Health Center, Bhoirambong. The event aimed at educating young minds about the harmful effects of tobacco use and promoting a healthy, smoke-free future for the next generation. Resource person Dr. N.B. Mowry, senior dental surgeon, delivered an engaging presentation highlighting the adverse effects of tobacco on both oral and overall health. The campaign witnessed active participation from young leaders and school children from various institutions.
Di persang bangin ai kene ke jing awareness program ikini nak samla kumki baro nang ba nikwa bapinum sedang ke initiation kata pareng ki ong ke initiation we must stop the initiation kamu tang bapin madru limde bangin limde bapin aila gelade tang bapin madru basisini pilamat pilamo kadang ketende ha bapin mat ngo te kene ke jing ngop do ini ki paralok kumbai kilaya ong nawi na yang mais kila ong benda na so kile ki jing share shisha ki ong ba kile ba ki paralok ki ong ki tomat se tam shisien muli le to wat nun le ara wat nun tie wat nun de film tre kin ong melong pusun ye ki sendang kin ben melong kum kum thei ki kum thei bat kin ong mele kin long kala ki pon jat ki jing pendram kapala ha den ki paralok ni ne.
The Special Task Force of Guwahati Police on Monday arrested a drug trafficker and seized heroin worth over Rs 4 crore at Jorabat, the interstate border between Meghalaya and Assam. Acting on a tip-off, the STF of Guwahati conducted a raid in front of the Northeast Cancer Hospital in Jorabat and managed to seize 45 boxes of soap containing the heroin, weighing 537.2 grams from a truck bearing registration number as 01RC2336 while heading towards Guwahati. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will be on a two-day visit to Guwahati in Assam and Shillong in Meghalaya starting tomorrow. During his visit, Mr. Dhankar will preside as the chief guest and lay the foundation stone of the Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub at Maudiangdiang in Shillong. He will also visit the IT Park and Raj Bhavan in Shillong and meet with the Chief Minister and other senior officials. Today, Thomas Jones Synod Higher Secondary School and Tome Memorial Secondary School emerged victorious in their opening basketball matches in the boys and girls category respectively. The inter-school open basketball tournament is set to span over 4 days, culminating in the final tournament on the 18th of this month. The tournament was organized by the District Sports Officer of West Jaintia Hills District at the Kiang Nongba Stadium basketball court. This event was orchestrated in anticipation of the upcoming Meghalaya Games 2025, scheduled to take place in July. And now for the weather report. Minimum temperature recorded 14.4 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature recorded 22 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 78%. Relative humidity in the evening was 80%. The forecast: light rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. ECI announces schedule for Gambagre by-poll, Maharashtra and Jharkhand Assembly polls. India has made digital connectivity effective tool for last-mile delivery, says PM Narendra Modi. Health Department on the job to prepare cabinet memos, service rules to start state's own medical college. NEHU launches integrated teacher education program to develop proficient teachers. And Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar to be on a 2-day visit to Assam and Meghalaya starting October 16. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Thank you for joining us. Have yourself a good night.